What's up guys, Sonic here. We have here our Lexus GX470 that we built last year in 2021. We built it for SEMA, and I'm out here in beautiful Big Sur with some of my friends, and I want to do a quick walkthrough of the car that I never did. So let's get started. So we have here the front of the vehicle. It looks pretty much stock, but actually since this is a 2014 Lexus GX460, it doesn't come with these cool looking headlights. This actually looks like the facelift headlights that started from 2020, but it isn't. It's from a company called AlphaRex. And what differentiates this one actually has 4 LEDs and not the 3. You can also get the one with the 3 LEDs from them. So this is the top of the line one. It's really cool. 3 is used for the low beam and 1 for the high beam. And you got the DRL, it chases out. We also have updated the front grille to the 2021. The one that we originally had, it just had these horizontal lines across. This gives a little bit more of an aggressive look. It was a plug and play install. The only thing we had to do was carve out the mounting points behind this logo just so that we could reuse the original logo. It fits in the hole, but it just, the mounting holes are different. So we had to do some carving to reuse that. We also have this bug deflector here. This is a cheap one that we got on eBay. It does the job, it looks cool, kind of differentiates the car, and we're going with the whole white vehicle with black trim look, which kind of goes with the theme that we're happy with. Some few things that I did down here. We have the RCI skid plate, and we also have this plate over here to protect against any sort of rocks that might come and hit the AC condenser. This is very useful because this over here this AC condenser becomes a very vulnerable point once you cut your bumper, because it's just all exposed and there's nothing. So this is offered by Go North Offroad. So if you need something like this for the GX460, I believe they're the only company offering it at the moment. So go ahead and hit them up, Go North Offroad. And if you look up a little bit, we got the roof rack from JW Offroad. They're located locally to us. Very cool piece, super light, low profile. We like it. And right on top of that, we have the MAXTRAX mounted. It's not the typical color that you'll see for the MAXTRAX, a little bit darker. We like it, kind of keeps it stealth looking. Pretty cool. The guy's mounted with some of these little mounting rings that we put up there. And then still in the front of the vehicle, we have these S2 Pro from Baja Designs. Pretty cool, ditch lights. It does the job. We don't want something too big and crazy, so we just went with the 2 LED ones. And then let's go down here. Got these Volk's TE37 XT, which we like. It's in matte black. It's a little dirty right now. We took it off-roading a little bit yesterday. There was some mud puddles that we drove through, kind of dirty. So it doesn't really show you the beautifulness of it at the moment, but it does look really cool, especially when it's clean. And let's get to the suspension. We have the Total Chaos upper control arms combined with some King shocks, which we really like. And we also have these sliders over here, CBI sliders. We like the design, looks cool. It protects the vehicle. We're also using the Ridge grapplers from Nitto. Super compliant for normal daily driving. It did not add any road noise at all. Very comfortable to drive on the street, and when we're off-roading, it works really well as well. We're super happy with this. And if you notice, the wheels are sticking out a bit. So we added a 1.5 spacer on all 4 wheels from Spidertrax, I think. So we added that, gives a little bit more aggressive stance. We did have to do a little bit more trimming inside the fender well to make it not rub, which was not a big deal. And we also have the Shiftpower throttle controllers. That is a throttle control that we offer for sale. Very cool product. It has a really cool, intuitive phone application that you could use to really precisely adjust. There's a lot of adjustments on there. 3 different throttle curves in addition to 4 different modes. There's an eco mode, there's a valet mode. You could even lock your throttle for additional security. And we also blacked out all the chrome trim with some wrap, as you can see here. And we also have these visors. Okay, this one's kind of thick. I like this design. It's actually the one from Land Cruiser Prado. Bought it over from Dubai. And then let's walk over to the back. We have here the tire carrier from Rigged. This is really cool. This is a swing out. It also has a table that came in handy this time. Let me go ahead and pull this out for you guys. Little pin here. Before I pull it out, let me go ahead and release this. Okay. Pull the pin. Push the wheel out. All right. This is an option you could get from Rigged. Some cooking table and then a cutting board. Super cool. And this device here is very solid, does not vibrate or shake at all. Very happy with it. And then coming around here, we got this ladder from NashFabCo. Comes in handy when I need to go up on the roof. I don't really go on the roof much, but when I do, it makes it very easy. Oh, all right, let me show you a really cool product inside. So this car also has wireless Apple CarPlay offered by us. So you turn on your car, and because it's wireless, it will connect by itself. So after your car's turned on, you just long press the nav button. It's loading right now. Give it about 10 seconds and it'll connect by itself. The phone's in my pocket right now. All right, there it is. And right there, it's giving me my location. Touchscreen, swipe motion works. Very, very cool. Okay, I'll play music. All right, and then if you're wondering, the shop that did all this work is Jimahajer's in Anaheim. Really recommend them. Very cool guys. They know what they're doing, especially when it comes to these type of rigs. Really recommend them. All right, it was a very, very simple, kind of a conservative build over here. We didn't go out too much. We want to use this for daily driving as well. But we're really happy with how everything turned out. Very clean look. Maybe we're going to be adding little things here and there, but nothing significant. Thanks for watching my video and following us on YouTube. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and give us a like. Thank you very much.